Hi everybody, welcome to another Inside Out project. This week's theme is called Taking a Biscuit, and we're going to be taking inspiration from biscuits using the different patterns, texture and just the shapes of the biscuits. Okay, what you're going to use for this task is a selection of biscuits. Custard creams work well, some scissors, glue, pencils, colouring pencils, crayons, and of course your paper. I've just got A4 here. I'm using this piece of fabric as inspiration because I just love the strong graphic lines and the bold colours. So for this piece, I'm just copying the biscuits as line drawings onto the paper. I'm just simplifying the designs on the biscuits, but you can make this as abstract as you like. Once I'd finished drawing the outlines, I just took the coloured pencil, or you could use paint or whatever, and filled in the bits which stood out for me. This is how mine turned out, but you can carry on and add more to it if you like. If you wanted to take a different approach, you could take rubbings from the biscuits. It's really satisfying and fun to do. I can show you how to do that. All you're going to need is the pencil, paper and biscuit, and then just rub on top of the biscuit through the paper. You'll just have to experiment with different pressures and on different biscuits, and it might be a good idea to put the biscuits in the fridge first for a little while to keep them nice and firm. You can also experiment by overlapping different pencils and crayons to see what different effects you can get. So for this design, I took inspiration from patchwork quilts. If you want to take this idea further, you can take some of your rubbings, cut them out, and then glue them on top of your design so it has a sort of a pliqué effect. So I just took some glue, pasted it on the back and created a kind of collage. My favourite biscuit for rubbing on the back was the custard cream because it had such a lovely delicate design, and the Oreos. Well, this is how mine turned out, but you can carry on adding more and experiment with different textures and see how it turns out. Here I tried combining the drawings and the rubbings. I hope you have fun with this task and make sure you save yourself one to eat.